All right, it's Tuesday, October 3rd. I'm buying some SPY 428 puts here at 491. This is on bar number 3, the big red bar down. We opened up a little bit after the pre-market range, started to near the lower end. We had the big reversal. So I'm buying the puts here, looking for to take out the pre-market lows. That can trigger a 2 down bar, and then once the 2 down bar is triggered, we start working towards the lows of last week. That midpoint of that Thursday bar I was talking about. Looks like if we can get through that pre-market low here, that kind of breaks that. Then we see if we get to the target here, which is the lows of last week. Again, we have this downside bias overall. We started up a little bit on Monday, but now we're kind of working lower on the week. Continuity's down on the month and the quarter we've talked about. So we'll see if this kind of move here after a little economic release at half hour into trading kind of starts the downtrend in force again. So this big red bar, we'll look for this being the high of the day up here. And as long as we continue red, then we'll continue. Here we go, pushing through there. You can see the options I bought at 491 are now at 526. So we will see now if this kind of is an area that is just a pause and maybe you get a lot of volatility, or it starts the move down towards the target of last week here. So we have a 2 down day, held the midpoint of the prior day, had a little bit of a gap up, but then started lower. That's kind of what you're looking for on this type of day, holding below the midpoint of the first day. Kind of hitting that first target here. This is the key thing to monitor now, the 15-minute chart, how it's going to react to taking out some of these stops down here. Is it just pause and have a major reversal, or if it just doesn't do anything, bounce too much, then likely we're going to start heading lower, into this area down here. So buying puts on the SPY. Let's monitor it right now at a kind of a inflection point number 1.